Hey, welcome to Analog Voice. And in this video, I will show you how to get into high notes using mixed voice. Now, when we want to get into mixed voice, we want to try to activate the cricothyroid muscles that are located here. That way you will not end up pulling chest. Now, pulling chest is when you are singing a scale and here comes the high note. Most people tend to do this. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. The problem with that is that there's nowhere to go. Imagine a marathon runner is running a marathon, has a baton in their hand. To switch from chest voice to head voice, you want to take that baton and you want to give it to another runner. Or think about as driving a car. You need to switch gears. A good way to do this is try to activate the cricothyroid muscles. That way they will tip the larynx forward and you will be able to switch gears. Like this. Mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum. It might sound a little bit light, but you're just developing the cricothyroid muscles. Also, remember, we drive the voice from below. As we go higher, we hold the air, hold the air, hold the air. The higher we go, the more we hold. Anyway, let's do the exercise. Go as high as you can. Do not push. When we get close to the passaggio, which is about an E or a D, depends on the individual. Usually for ladies, it's about a B, B flat, or C. Could be one note higher or one note lower. Also, if you feel a bit of tightness going on, that might give you some sort of an idea of when you start to try to sob into the sound. Let's begin. Let's start here. Mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum. Now, cry into the sound. Mum, 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 mum. And try to fall back into chest. Make the top note quieter. Mum, 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 mum. Good. Mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum. Really sob into the sound. Mum, 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 mum. Imagine sobbing into the sound into your body, and that will cause the expansion below. Mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum. The top note quieter. A. Mum, 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 mum. Go as high as you can. B flat. Mum, 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 mum. B. Mum, 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 mum. And high C. Mum, 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 mum. Let's do a bonus. C sharp. Mum, 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 mum. Go as high as you can. Try to do the best you can. It takes time to develop those cricothyroid muscles. If you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel. Click on that notification bell when a new video is coming along. Also, if you want to dig deeper into singing, I teach from my studio in Brooklyn, New York, and also teach through Skype. Anyway, I will see you in the next video.